No.
I'm gonna try to seal these. We heard a mouse here. Little poops.
You're gonna have to it. I'm kidding. No. What do we do?
Good morning, sick baby. Good morning, baby. That's sick. Good morning.
No.
I'm gonna try to seal these because we heard a mouse here and we're trying to seal that so they won't come for this. See? Little poops. Oh, they're in here, running around in the night. I hear them trying to eat all this stuff for him. Maybe they'll try to get to this. Luckily, nothing has been touched. So right here. Oh, there's a laser. How cool. You see that? There's a laser. What the? I didn't know it was gonna get this dusty. Go over there. Yeah, I'm gonna do it outside from now on. I didn't think it gets this dusty. Just waiting for the dust to get out. Fit pretty good already. Oh man.
It smells like rat stuff.
I know. Alright.
I don't like that smell.
Okay. Both are sealed now. Just gotta put some things on the side, I think, and we should be good. Okay, now it's nice and sealed, both of them. Pretty good. Hopefully no mice get in anymore. Like this, and then got those things on.
Oh goodness. Great.
What are you making to eat?
Pancakes.
Where'd you get that at?
TikTok.
Make sure you guys get it. I'm gonna leave it on the link.
Shouldn't they pay me for advertising?
No, I'm gonna post this. They pay me. Okay, so this doesn't let this close. As you can see, it's not closed correctly. So I'm gonna fix this. Maybe put this downer right here because it's not grabbing correctly. supposed to be. Looks a little better. There we are. So you can see it goes in a lot better. Right there it is. Oh, so this right here. Well, this one just has like a hole there. So look at this one. So we got this right here. So. Okay, it looks a little bit better. There's a bigger hole, but I fixed it up a little bit now. Wow, look at that. Stars and hearts and circles, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, put this.
This little soup.
Yeah.
He loves that soup, huh?
Yeah, that's all he loves to eat.
He's getting mad. He wants some.
Good job, baby. Don't.
It's my food.
It got cold already, so.
Oh no. Mmm.
Good?
Yeah, really good. $16? Now you feel bad for him. Do you feel bad for him now?
Yes.
Why do you feel bad for him?
Let's like let him out far away over there.
So you go back in, huh?
Another house door. Yeah, well, I'm gonna let him out over there.
I gotta pour on bleach.
No.
Dana, get out of the way.
No.
Get out of the way now.
That's sad.
Dana, get out of the way.
You know what Dad used to do? He's
I'm gonna.
No.
They're gonna infest our house and you're not gonna feel bad for him anymore?
Oh, he's just grabbing on. Pobrecito. Hard.
Yeah, I don't think he'll bite you.
Why don't you grab it? You.
You want me to grab it?
Yes.
You're the one who wants to say I was gonna. I could grab you if you want. You want me to grab
No,
it?
from here. I'm saying.
Oh, you're saying like, why don't we just grab him?
Yes.
He's gonna come out.
How? He has poop coming out.
He got scared.
Don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Don't bite me. Oh, he got stuck there now. Walking that way. Alright.
You can't get him out anymore.
No.
What are you gonna do? Throw in the trash?
He's eating.
He's eating?
He started biting one. Alright. You're gonna bite it. I'm kidding. No. What do we do? I feel bad now. Ah, don't bite me.
He bit you?
No, I'm scared though. He's scared. Okay, check on the internet. What do we do? How do we dispose of it? Check.
Just turn around while I do it.
Just check. I'm sorry. Trying to get you out. It's the only way. It's oil. There you go. You're free. We'll leave this here for him or what?
No, we could take that.
Oh yeah,
stuff.
I know he's gonna get stuck again. Okay.
You could hear him running around.
Yeah.
How do you feel you did a good deed?
Good.
Why couldn't you do it?
Yeah.
I think I told you I don't like rats at the best of times.
What are these called again?
Lentejas.
How do you say in English?
Lent or lentils?
Lentils.